lot of times when we do rescues, we end up with little bits of this and that. I want to be able to use up all of these and put it all into a soup. So let's say if you get a carrot that has a bit of black spots like this, no problem. What we do is take our potato peeler and just remove all the black stuff. And there you have it. Can't tell the difference, right, from what it was. And then I'll just cut it up into small chunks because I'll be adding it to the soup later and I want it to soften inside the soup. Okay, this brinjal isn't very pretty. Let's see what's on the inside. It's not in the best condition, but still pretty okay. If you don't like these bits of dark skin, okay, if you don't like it, you can just very simply cut it off. No big issue. Okay, one thing to note is that brinjals tend to have worms inside, so we have to cut and take a look at these parts, because if they are black and they start growing, the worms will start eating up the white parts. So if you take it for granted and don't check your brinjal and just take it and throw it into your soup, some parts of this may be black and you may be introducing that into your soup as well. This pumpkin looks a bit weird, right? But we'll just clean it up. Take off the skin. Take off the not so nice parts, you see here. Not so nice part, get off. Okay, we cut through. You see, there's a bit dark on this part, so I'll cut through right in the center to see what it looks like. This part doesn't look too good, right? So I'll just remove that. And I'll keep this part. Okay, the thing about pumpkins in soup is that they very naturally just disintegrate as you keep boiling them. I really like to use pumpkins for soup because it gives soup a nice sweetish flavors. Right, so just now I cut up some pumpkins and brinjals and carrots, and we're gonna make a simple miso soup with mixed vegetables. In one of my previous episodes, I have a bunch of capsicums and onions that were not used up. I'm going to just add it all together in as well. This is a very forgiving dish. We're just going to add most kinds of vegetables together. We add water to cover the vegetables. So what's so good about this is that it allows us to use up all our scraps of bits and pieces that we may not be using in our recipes, and we can put it all together in a soup and not waste them and throw them away. It's an easy way to use up all your scraps.